Kumusta guys? Welcome back to my channel Simply CM at right now ay nasa IT Park pa rin tayo dito sa Riala Avida Tower 1. Aalis kami guys, maghanap kami ng pagkain and yeah, I'm not so feeling good today. I'm just feeling tired and then yung cough ko parang bumabalik na naman. But anyway, lalabas tayo, maghanap tayo ng pagkain kasi last night I wasn't really able to eat kasi nagka-problema doon sa restaurant na pinag-orderan namin ng food. Yung food ng husband ko is na-serve, tapos yung food ko naman, we keep on asking ano na yung update. Parang, we'll check ma'am, we'll check. Ganun-ganun lang. It turned out pala na hindi na-communicate ng waitress namin yung order namin to the kitchen. Yung order ng husband ko, good, pero sa akin hindi niya na-communicate doon. So, yeah. We were waiting 1 hour, I think more than an hour, para sa food ko, pero hindi siya dumating. So, I specifically stood up and went to that waitress and asked what's the update with my food because my husband's done eating. My food is not served yet. I felt like you people forgot my order, and she was like, "Oh ma'am, would you just like to cancel your order?" Ganon. Wala. Anyway, so kinancel ko nga kasi hindi na ako makapaghintay guys at nainis na talaga ako. So yun. So that was actually our second time to be there. The first time was I think last year or 2 years ago nung nandito din kami. But last night it was not a good experience kasi yung mga tao noon parang didn't care at all. Pero before that, my other table din na mga foreigner ba. Tapos one of them, or I think two of them, also decided to just cancel their order kasi they made mistake yung mga sa other table. So sa akin din naman hindi nila na niluto. So yun, name ng restaurant, Pizzeria Michel, without Michel. Pizzeria Michelangelo. Michelangelo. Michel and then Angelo. Dito sa Cebu, sa Paseo Banilad. So, yun. But tonight, we're going to the same area pero hindi na sa lugar na yun. We're gonna try a German restaurant. So, pupunta kami doon. Wala pa talaga kaming kain the whole day kasi nga sobrang, I don't know, I just felt so tired today. Yung damit ko, I don't even think it's appropriate to go there, pero wala na akong pake guys. Ang sa akin lang talaga guys, kumain, makabalik dito, matulog. Yun yung magiging araw natin. Anyway, so guys, this is the outside. Grabe na tayong kabildingan dito sa IT Park. So, building, but at least may konting area dyan na nakikita mo pa rin yung greens. Ganyan. So, yeah. Today, when we get out, it's gonna be our first time going out for today. Kasi, ganun talaga. Ganun talaga. So, yeah. So, there's a lot of things I wanted to do today, but I was not able to do so because I don't feel good today. Maybe tomorrow it's gonna be a better day, and then I could buy all the things that needed to be bought na pwede kong dalhin sa Denmark. Tapos yeah, let's see gatas. And then husband is here.
Oi!
Kera.
Orgullo!
And then we got the here.
Delta one.
Okay, one. Okay, so that's my order guys. Yamsi. Pero I think it's too big for me. So Martin said, that's the view.